Did you know Tokyo has over 1,000 train stations, and many of them have their own unique commemorative stamps? It's like a citywide treasure hunt just waiting to be discovered.
I love this fun fact, and honestly, it's a perfect way to kick off a conversation about Tokyo, especially for families traveling with kids. There's so much to explore beyond the usual tourist spots.
Exactly. Today we're diving into Tokyo's hidden gems for families, along with tips to make even the must-see spots more manageable. Let's start with those eki stamps I mentioned. They're free, easy to find, and kids absolutely love them.
It's such a clever idea. You just grab a small notebook either before your trip or at a 100 yen shop in Tokyo and start collecting. The stamps are usually near ticket gates or tourist information areas, and each one features a unique design tied to the location. It's like building a travel diary in real time. Oh, and if you have your notebook already when landing at the airport, you can have your first stamp right there. Narita Airport definitely has a stamping station. Not sure about Haneda, but I suspect it does too.
And if you've got older kids, you can take it up a notch with Goshuin, which are calligraphy stamps from shrines and temples. These are hand-brushed by monks or attendants, and they're stunning. It usually involves a small donation, and you'll need a special book called a Goshuincho, which you can buy at most major shrines.
What I love about Goshuin is how it teaches kids patience and respect. Watching the monks carefully brush each character is mesmerizing, and the finished pages are such meaningful keepsakes. It's a great way to connect with Japanese culture.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about some iconic spots, starting with Shibuya Crossing. It's the world's busiest pedestrian crossing, and while it's a must-see, the street-level chaos can be overwhelming, especially with kids.
That's so true. A great tip is to skip the famous Starbucks window and head to MAG's Park Rooftop at Magnet by Shibuya 109. It's less crowded and your ticket includes a drink. You get an amazing, unobstructed view of the crossing without the hustle and bustle.
That's such a smart move. And if you're into skyline views, Shibuya Sky is another fantastic option. It's an open-air rooftop with lounge seating, and the views are incredible, especially at sunset. Just make sure to book your tickets well in advance, because those primetime sunset slots go fast.
And don't forget the hidden sky hammocks up there. They're tucked into corners and often missed by tourists. It's a peaceful spot where families can relax and snap some fun photos with the Tokyo skyline as a backdrop.
Speaking of skyline views, Tokyo Skytree is another great choice, especially for families. It's the tallest structure in Japan, and the Sumida Aquarium is right in the same complex. You can bundle your tickets to save money and visit the aquarium in the evening when it's quieter.
That's a good way to avoid the crowds. And while we're on the topic of avoiding crowds, let's talk about Sensoji in Asakusa. It's Tokyo's oldest temple, and the Thunder Gate with its massive paper lanterns is iconic. But Nakami Street, the approach to the temple, can get really packed.
It can, but here's a tip. Go early in the morning, and for a quieter, crowd-free view, head to the observation terrace at the Asakusa Culture Tourist Information Center. It's free, and you get a fantastic view of the temple and Skytree. Plus, there's a quiet cafe and clean restrooms, perfect for families.
That's really useful advice. Now for a completely different vibe, Meiji Shrine and Yoyogi Park are a must. Meiji Shrine is so peaceful, surrounded by a forested area that feels like a world away from the city.
And Yoyogi Park is right next door, which is perfect for picnics and letting kids run around. On weekends, you'll often see performers or people practicing hobbies, like juggling or dancing. It's a great spot for people watching and relaxing.
If you're looking for something more interactive, the Team Lab digital art museums are incredible. There's Team Lab Borderless and Team Lab Planets. Both are immersive, with light installations that kids and adults find magical.
Just a heads up, no strollers are allowed at Team Lab Borderless, so plan to use lockers and maybe a carrier for little ones. And at Team Lab Planets, you'll be wading through water, so bring shorts and a small towel. It's such a unique experience though, and kids absolutely love it.
Another family favourite is Ueno Park. It's massive, with museums, a zoo, and even a pond where you can rent swan-shaped paddle boats. The Tokyo National Museum there is surprisingly family-friendly, with wide halls and proper rest spaces.
I also love the idea of combining a visit to Tsukiji Outer Market with a Sumida River cruise. The market is a street food paradise, and giving each kid a small budget to pick their own snacks turns it into a tasting adventure.
That's a fun idea to make kids more engaged. And the river cruise is a relaxing way to see the city. It's a nice break from crowded trains and gives everyone a chance to unwind.
For Ghibli fans, the Ghibli Museum is a must. It's whimsical and magical, but tickets sell out fast, so you have to be on top of it. Once inside, don't miss the rooftop garden with the robot soldier statue. It's a great spot for photos.
And for a quieter, off-the-beaten-path experience, Todoroki Valley is Tokyo's only natural valley. It's a lush sanctuary with a walking trail along a stream. Kids love spotting turtles and birds, and it's free to enter.
That sounds so peaceful. Another hidden gem for families is the Tokyo Toy Museum. It's an old primary school turned into a world of wooden toys and creative play. It's especially good for younger kids.
And if you're up for a little craft, the Ozuwashi papermaking workshop is fantastic. You get to make your own handmade Japanese paper, and it's easy enough for kids to follow. Plus, you leave with a unique souvenir. When we visited Japan, that was the favorite experience of everyone in our family. Again, this needs booking in advance.
That's an amazing experience. Tokyo really has something for everyone, doesn't it? From the bustling streets of Shibuya to the quiet gardens and hidden valleys, it's a city that surprises you at every turn. There are so many things to see and do. We can't mention everything in this short video, so we cherry-picked out favorites. Is there a last one recommendation you'd mention before we wrap up?
Yes, it might sound cliché, but try a pet cafe with older kids. There are some uniquely Japanese ones like hedgehog cafes and even snake cafes. For younger kids, you might opt for robot cafes. They are fun too. And my last bit of advice would be, if you're planning a family trip to Tokyo, don't just stick to the big tourist spots. Seek out the hidden gems and hand-on experiences, and you'll create memories that are as unique as the city itself.
Well said. And remember, always double-check details like opening hours and seasonal schedules before you go. Tokyo is ever-changing, but that's part of its charm.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this inspires your next family adventure. See you next time.
See you then. Safe travels, everyone.